Hello guys, today we're playing a simultaneous equation game and we're learning a few things about the cube. Cube has 6 faces, we mentioned the last time. But interestingly, we're looking at the top color, which is the A, and the down color. You see that the A and the B move together. When you flip A, the top center color moves, and so does the down color. So they work simultaneously. You notice yellow and white work simultaneously. Orange and red works simultaneously. The orange almost looks like red in the color on the screen, but this is real red in my eyes here. It's a bit lighter. That's how the orange looks. And green and blue also work simultaneously. When you flip, as green moves, blue also moves. So because of this behavior, we are using it to explore simultaneous equation ideas. So if I want to write an equation, right, in relation to this, I simply have 6 whites. So let's write it here. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 white squares, right? Yes, 9 white squares. And down here, we have also 9 yellow squares, right? So these are the numbers that I'm working with. We also have 9 green, so white and yellow together. We have 9 green, and green simultaneously works with blue. 9 blue. And then we have 9 red and 9 orange. So let me use E for orange. Yep. So these are the 6 faces of this cube: the white, yellow, green, blue, red, and orange. Yes. So in essence, 9 times the number of faces will be 9 times 6. Yes. And what is 9 times 6? You basically hold your fingers here. See 9 times 1. Yeah, so let's play a little game with 9. So we have 9, 1, 9, 2, 9, 3, 9, 4, 9, 5, 9, 6. Yeah, so to play a little game with 9, let's imagine that we have 10 fingers. We have 10 fingers. So this is 9 times 1, 9 times 2, 9 times 3, 9 times 4, 9 times 5, 9 times 6, 9 times 7, 9 times 8, 9 times 9, 9 times 10. So obviously our answer to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9, 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you see that I have 5 fingers here. So 9 times 6 is 50 and 4. This is the 6th finger. 9 times 6 is 54. I think you noticed that. Yes, so we have 54 faces of this cube. 54 faces of this cube. Yes. And we've been playing the simultaneous equation game with it. We're going to take one that has been scrambled, okay? So we'll pick this cube. This cube has been scrambled, right? And we're going to try to write equations in terms of white and yellow, because they work simultaneously, right? When white moves, yellow also moves. In fact, that's our A and B. White is A, yellow is our B, right? In solving a cube, the white part is A, the yellow side is B. The green, blue, red, and orange part, they form colors. Yeah. So over here, we have a number of equations. We're going to write equations in terms of the top white and the down yellow center color. So the first equation is this. So I'll pick the active color, which is white, and I'll look for white and yellow colors here. I think we have only white. Every other color that's not white and yellow will be given a number 1. So we have 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So these colors are not yellow or white, so I'll say 3. They add up to the number 3. So the first equation that I have is 6 of the white colors, right, equal 3. These are the 3. That's equation 1. Now, this other color, there's no yellow, so we have only a simple equation in terms of white. If you turn to the yellow side, which is the other simultaneous side, you have yellow here and you have white here. So let's write the equation. So this is going to be how many yellows? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 yellow colors plus 1 white color is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's equal to 4, equation 2. So this is how we construct a simple simultaneous equation from the cube. So this forms the first part of the cube. Let's construct another simultaneous equation using green and blue, the simultaneous pair, green and blue. So we have white is the top, green, blue is here, green is on the other side. So green and blue work simultaneously, right? So let's see whether we can have some fun creating simultaneous equations from here. So I see green here, I see blue here, and I see colors that are neither green or blue. So they will be 1, 1, 1, oops, 1 and 1. Whilst I write the equation in terms of blue and green. So here I have 3 blue plus 1 green is equal to the sum of the off colors are 5, equation 1. So this is another example here. So the other simultaneous pair is behind. So blue here, this time I have 1 blue plus how many greens? 1, 2, 3. 3 greens. 1, yes. 1 blue, 3 greens. So the off pairs are 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2. So that's all that is equal to 5. Equation 2. Yep, this is a simultaneous pair for blue and green. The other simultaneous pair, if you will notice, the other simultaneous pair, what will it be? I think that'll be red and orange. Red and orange. So let's write an equation in terms of red and orange. So here, how many reds do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so we have 5 red plus 2 orange colors. Orange is our E. We don't want to use O because it will be confusing. And all that, how many off colors do I have? I have 1, 1. All that is equal to 2. That would also be equation 1. And the simultaneous pair of red is orange. So let's see whether we can get that here. So orange, you have 1 red here. 1 red plus 1 red plus 3 orange pieces. 3 orange pieces is equal to 1, 2, right? 1. This is an off color. This off color, off color, off color, off color. So 1 red plus 3 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is equal to 5 off colors. Yes, it's equation 2. So this here is one example of a simultaneous equation pair between white and yellow. This is the second example of a simultaneous equation pair between blue and green, the simultaneous pair. The other one is equal to another pair of 5. That's example 3, right? That will give us another pair between red and orange. Yes, of course, it can be solved with the help of a calculator. You can solve the simultaneous pairs, right? Yeah, so guys, to solve this simultaneous equation, to solve any of them, you need your calculator, and you will need to tap on the mode. Yes, when you tap on the mode, it will open and go from mode to equation. Yeah, so you tap on the mode because it's on the phone. Yes, it's giving me. Now you tap on mode and go to the equation to what looks like this. What looks like this: 8x plus b and y plus cn on your calculator. Usually I think it's mode 3. Yeah, so when you tap it, you get a table like this. So the table will ask you, in this case there's 0 yellow color. So the table will ask you to put in the first digit, which is this. Then you place in the next digit, which is 6. So this is 0. Then you input the next value in your calculator, which is 6. Then you input the next value, which is the C, which is this. Then you press equal to, it will give you options to put into the next one, here into the table. Now the coefficient here is 1. You put that also into the table by pressing equal to. Then you press this into the C. So when you press equal to on your calculator, it will give you the X. In this case, it will give you the Y. It will give you the Y figure and then the W figure. That's how you solve the simultaneous equation. So when we meet up, I'll demonstrate it to you on your real calculator. Yeah, so the coefficients, you put them in the calculator in that order. In 3, 1, 5. 1, 3, 5. And it gives birth to, the calculator will quickly give you the answer for here, in the case blue, what the figure of blue will be, and Jane, what the figure of Jane will be. And here, 5, 2, 2, and input 1, 3, 5. And this system also give you what the value for R will be, and what the value for E will be. So this is how a simultaneous equation, this is a system of simultaneous equations. It's a game that we're just trying to play on the Rubik's Cube. So remember, anytime you scramble a Rubik's Cube, you create new equations are formed. Anytime you scramble the Rubik's Cube, you have new equations formed. You can write out systems of simultaneous equations from it. Yes, so remember the simultaneous pair of white and yellow, they move together. White and yellow move together. Orange and red move together. Green and blue move together. So meet up with me. Let's see whether you can write simultaneous equations from a scrambled cube and then figure out what values come out of it. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hello learners, so this is us now. We now see how a simultaneous equation game can be played from the Rubik's Cube using the colors and the neutral colors. The paired simultaneous colors and then the neutral colors can help us form equations. So looking forward to solving these equations with you on your calculator so that you find the answer. There are other methods to solve this elimination method and substitution method and graphical method. You can check it out in the other videos that I have on BHM. So see you soon in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to produce or provide more cubes for young learners.